welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, I'm Kara. We do unboxings here, talk about BOXYCHARM, sneak peeks, all kinds of different things. And if you're coming back, hi, good to see you again. And just wanted to hop on here real fast, I hope real fast, and give you the updates as for what we know for the BOXYCHARM variations, because we're gonna blink and it's gonna be July before we even know it. And there is a confirmed 1 or 2 variations, so let's just get into it. I'm going to refer to my notes. I was taking all these notes last night. Okay, so we're going to start out with the variation that was shown on Instagram. And this was one that was the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. And I'm just going to throw in photos as we go along. We're going to have a really big hailstorm here tonight. It's getting really dark and scary out, so... Okay, the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. That one is $32. I'm gonna insert photos here. I'm not gonna go on and on about it because I did a video on this previously, and I'll link that previous video right up there. As for the other possible items that could be in there, that video will show you everything that could possibly be in there, which also includes the Glow Recipe watermelon mask. But the 2 variations we're discussing today do not have that. So after the Butter London Natural Goddess palette, the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask was in that box on Instagram, and that one, I like it because I've been getting a lot of peel-off masks and sheet masks, and this one's a little different because it's a moisturizing mask. So it's a 10-minute moisturizing mask. It has 4.4 stars at Ulta, and could be pretty good. So next up, there is a Luxie Gaia 3-piece brush set, and it has pink handles. It has 3 brushes: foundation, it has a blending brush, it has a precision crease brush, and those 3 come in a little recycled packaging. It's a little brown paper packaging, and I love Luxie brushes. I'm really excited to get an eye brush set. I'm just hoping that every box gets them, and that I do get them, that they're not a variant. But both boxes we're talking about have those. Moving right along, we have the Appeal Cosmetics gel liner, and the one in this Instagram box is in forest green. So I went to the site, Appeal Cosmetics, and there's 3 or 4 of these. There's a taupe, a dark taupe, and a forest green. So in the photo it appears blue, but it's forest green. And then in that Instagram box, there is also an Alamar Cosmetics lip product, and it's in what appears to be a gold packaging, and it says it appears to be a shiny lip cream. It's very pretty, and there's a little writing on the photo that says La Desnude es Coqueta. So that would translate to the nude is Coqueta, and Coqueta sounds like that would be the shade name. And that product would be a brand new product from Alamar Cosmetics. I was researching last night, and Alamar does have a lip gloss, but they do not currently have a liquid lipstick at all on their website. That it's not released yet. So I think that this is a new release. Very, very pretty. And I did some researching on Alamar Cosmetics social media accounts, and I found that in late March, Alamar did a little sneak peek of a new product, and I think it just said, hey, new product, and they showed what just appeared to be a tube, and I think they asked any guesses, and everyone was guessing mascara or lip product. So Alamar's been working on this for a little while. In March, they showed us the packaging, and the packaging, at least for the size and shape, appears to match the packaging in that Instagram photo where the packaging looks goldish. And again, the liquid lipsticks. So that is one variation. Then there's another variation, and that variation, we have an official number on that one. That variation is number 2, starting to rain. If you start hearing things bouncing off the windows, it's just hail. Variation number 2, I forgot to tell you, the theme is au naturel. Au naturel. And number 2 has the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. Everyone will be getting that. And it also has the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask that I just mentioned. And, you know, wondering if that's going to be a variant or if that one will be in everyone's box. Because one of the sneak peeks was the Glow Recipe watermelon mask, the night mask, sleeping mask. And I'm not so sure that BOXYCHARM would put 2 masks in one box. I think people might not like that. But let's move up. But one thing that people will like about this box, I think, is that it's not skincare heavy. One thing that I've been seeing in my comments is that people are saying, where's the makeup? Where's the makeup? And it's not just BOXYCHARM. They're saying it for other subscription boxes as well. So people in most of the subscription boxes are getting a lot of skincare. And while most people like getting several skincare products, sometimes you might just get too much and you want to just get back to the makeup. These 2 boxes are makeup heavy, so... I told you guys the storm was coming. Okay, what else I just said? The mask. then there's the Luxy Gaia brush set. Same set. And then, for this box, for box number 2, exact same product, a Peel Gel Eyeliner. And it's, I'm really sorry about the dog barking, you guys, but when it's thundering, it will take her 30 minutes to calm down. Like, there's probably nothing I can do. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna go get the dog. Okay, Violet's here. She gets absolutely terrified with wind, rain, fireworks, just about anything. So the only way she won't bark is if I hold her. It's okay, but you're gonna live. We're all gonna live. So the Luxy Gaia 3-piece brush set is in there. Okay, I already told you that. And the Appeal Gel Eyeliner in Desert Taupe, $21 value. Oh, the final 5th product, the Elamar Mother of Pearl Lip Gloss has the aqua blue cap. I don't know what shade that one was. It is already an existing product in their lineup. It's one of 4 shades on their website. But these 2 boxes are different because the 5th product is an Elamar Cosmetics lip for each, but they're different products. And the variation number 2 has the existing product and then that Instagram sneak peek photo version that I was talking about first has the brand new launch. I'm getting close to 2,000 subscribers. It's time for me to do a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And it is just in time because I just got my box from BOXYCHARM with the 3 Brunch Babe Morphe palettes in it that I got from the Charm Room. So I did a video on that, the Charm Room excitement / drama that was going on with all the glitches and everything. So those palettes just came in. If you bought anything from the Charm Room a few weeks ago, you will probably be getting yours any minute. Mine came in yesterday. I'll be giving 2 of those away. There'll be 2 separate winners for my giveaway. And this is the box of some of the items. We have this big box, we have the Morphe palettes, and I will announce in a separate video the giveaway, showing the products, and that's where you'll like, comment, subscribe to enter. So as for now, please like the video if you enjoy the information, if you enjoy lightning and thunder and barking dogs, And if you subscribe, you'll be notified of future spoilers as well as my 2000K giveaway, which will be posted in the next 48 hours. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for surviving through my dog barking and crazy weather. And I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye! Wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? Oh. Thought you wanna say hi? Oh, she's scared. Are you still scared? Huh? Oh. Oh.